Village, located at 5225 Northwest 2nd Avenue in the lovely city of Miami. I'm here today. My name is Lady T. I'm here today with various reggae artists and various Haitian artists in honor of Haitian Flag Day, which will be Saturday, May the 20th, 2017. Tonight, to my right, I have RASTA and the Law Productions, and to my left, I have Mr. Peter Michael. I'm going to be interviewing them tonight for the Flag Day Festival, which is going to be held here at the RASTA Village. Good evening.
That's a love.
RASTA, I want to know, what do you represent? Tell me your vibes. Tell me a little bit more about your music.
First of all, I have to say, give thanks to life. Without life, nothing will be possible. Yeah, I analyze the roots and culture artist. My name is RASTA. I'm going to do something for the ladies them also. We don't know that just nature. So we just give thanks. Yeah, Log Production. When I hear LOG, Log Production is I, RASTA. Blessed love.
Blessed love, King RASTA.
Yeah. Haiti, I feel your pain. Yes, I do. But I know tomorrow you will see it's not in vain. No, no way.
Today to represent the Haitian independent culture and also the Haitian Flag Day. As I stated earlier, it's going to be live here in the RASTA Village in the heart of Little Haiti, 5225 Northwest 2nd Avenue in the city of Miami. And I'm going to bring up the next gentleman. He is a reggae artist as well, and his name is Peter Michael, single Peter Michael.
Greetings and love, sister.
Mr. Michael, tell me a little bit about your music. Tell me a little bit about the culture and the vibe that you represent in honor of Haitian Flag Day.
Yeah, blessed to Haitian Flag Day. We have come through and strengthen the nation of Haitian, you know. So the music is culture. It's the heartbeat of the people, you know. Music where we meditate and get stronger, you know. Build the races, you know.
Can you give me a little sample of some of your music that we're going to have live here in the RASTA Village on Saturday, May the 20th in honor of the Flag Day Festival?
Yeah, you know, you can sample it here. Little did I know my life Babylon would want tear I apart. Little did I know their society, them wouldn't want I apart. And from the day I know myself, I spent my life in the barn. And from the day I came into this earth, I am a Rasta man. Treading this earth day and night, confronted with Rasta man. And from the day I met the Rasta man, I chant revelation, yeah. Little did I know my life Babylon would want here I am. Yes, you know.
I love it, I love it, I love the vibes. I'm so excited. We're live tonight in the RASTA Village in Little Haiti, Miami. We big up all the Haitian people, Americans, Bahamians, all the international cultures. It's gonna be nice. You need to be here. in the your business and tell me a little bit about yourself.
So my name is Andre from Mosval. I started this clothing line because I'm a graffiti writer, and I was never into fashion or nothing like that. So the name I chose, Mosval, represents me and my homeboys as a group, and also it's kind of a steer away from the fashion world. So I feel like I'm the most vile from the whole fashion industry, even though I'm in it.
All right, big up, Most Val. What type of clothes or artistry do you provide?
My clothes is street culture, street inspired.
Well, we thank you and we appreciate you going to be in attendance here in the Rasta Village for Haitian Flag Day on May the 20th. Over here to my right, I have these gentlemen that represent Skunk 8 Gang. Talk to me. Tell me what you're all about.
We make rap music. It's about 6 of us, 6 members, actively rapping right now. We our music is mainly hype energy, just a lot of fun, yeah. Having a lot of fun.
Would you like to share a little bit about your music? Can you freestyle for me right quick?
I would like to give it in full form, so like what it'll be and like live. It would be best to wait till the show.
Okay, well we're excited about the show and we're happy to have you here, Skunk 8 Gang. Would you like to say something, sir?
We make our own music videos, we make our own edits, our own logos. We're very homegrown. We came from Miami and that's what we're representing and that's what we're gonna do.
All right, so we represent 305-786-954-754. We are live in the Rasta Village tonight with Most Vile, and again, this wonderful rap group, Skunk 8 Gang, as you can see on the gentleman's t-shirt. We're going to be having all kinds of music here. What culture do you represent?
I mean, we're down with all types of culture. It's really like the youth that we represent, but we definitely like reggae, we like Jamaican culture, Haitian culture, all that. I mean, we grew up around a bunch of diversity in Miami, so it's really, it's endless amount of culture that we...
One love.
Yeah.
One love, enough respect, right? I know, that's Miami, that's the heart of Miami. Guys, I appreciate you being here, and once again, these gentlemen are going to be representing live in the Rasta Village on May the 20th in honor of Haitian Flag Day. Big up Jamaica, Haiti, Bahamas. Big up Haiti on Haitian Flag Day. One love. Village and the heart of Little Haiti, representing May the 20th, Haitian Flag Day Festival, the culture, the vibes, the people, everything. And tonight, I'm representing with Madam Angela Unique.
Hi, my name is Angela Unique, representing where I work with Racine. We will be here playing for the people. I come from Haiti, and young my people will be ready to play for them, right?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Blessed Love Queen. Tonight we also have a reggae artist and a Haitian artist.
Yeah.
Sun Love. Sun Love, tell me a little bit more about the festival today. It's coming up.
What I could say, a big blessing. You know what I mean? It's going down, Haitian Flag Days. May 28th, there's a lot of different artists going to be performing. We're going to have HAITIAN, you know what I mean, and we're going to have, RASTA, King Chief. We're going to have Deepesh Patriot. We're going to have a lot of different artists, a lot of different, performers. But it's going down. Be there.
Big up Haiti. It's going down live here in the Rasta Village in the heart of Little Haiti. The address here is 5225 Northwest 2nd Avenue in the heart of Little Haiti. We're representing the Rasta Village tonight. Big up Jihad Tower in the Rasta Village. Blessed love. We look forward to seeing you all there.
Sans mi pas crier, sans mi pas rêver. J'en vais lier, comme ça, l'Italie. Sans mi pas crier, sans mi pas rêver. J'en vais lier, comme ça, l'Italie. Nation a goumé contre nation. Épidémie prend première position. Et bien c'est guerre.